Hi, I'm Paul Hales. We're at InfoComm 2026 here in Las Vegas. I'm with Theory Professional. Standing next to me is our SR-221.3. As you can see, it is a quite unusual loudspeaker. The claim to fame is this crazy horn has 180-degree horizontal coverage and 60-degree vertical coverage, okay? So extremely wide coverage so that you can do an entire venue with just a single loudspeaker, okay? The best way to think of it is a very high output subwoofer with a very high output full range speaker built in, okay? So there are two 21-inch woofers inside here. There are four 10-inch mid-range drivers, and then there's a giant 5-inch compression driver on this horn, okay? So we're approaching sound reinforcement a little differently, and we're kind of offering a different solution that none of the other brands can offer at the moment. So we're demonstrating it here in audio demo room N212 upstairs at InfoComm 2026. If you want more information, you can also visit theoryprofessional.com.